Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are students from the TEGs High School, and we are here to demonstrate how to manage waste by burning waste materials to produce electricity.
Now, talking about how to manage waste, someone may ask, what is waste? Waste are the things in our environment that pollute the environment. Examples like plastic waste, paper waste, metallic waste. But this our system is not used to conserve heat energy using the metallic waste, but we use the plastic waste and the paper waste, or someone may say rubbish. So we are having our combustion chamber here, whereby the heating or the burning of the rubbish goes on. So the main motive for this project is that we manage waste through burning, but as scientific students, as we through the burning of the waste, we conserve or we convert heat energy to electrical energy to help in our house. So here we are having our LEDs. When the burning is going on, the LED will turn on, which will show you that heat is being converted from energy is being converted from heat into electrical. And we are having our capacitors, which stores electrical current. We are also having our thermal heat generator, which someone may call it a heat panel. So I'm going to show you how the voltage within this whole system when there is no burning of wastage going on. So I'll connect my negative terminal to the negative and the positive to the positive. So you can see that now the voltage is stable, which is 0. Which is 0.17, and you can see that it's stable. But when they start burning the waste that we are having, you can see that the voltage will increase, and I would like my dear sisters to experiment it for us. So now the burning of the wastage is going on. So when we check the first voltage, it was 0.7. Now we are come to check if the voltage is going to rise, which shows that there is electricity or there is electrical current passing through it. And now you can see that the voltage is increasing, and it's still increasing. Now it's 2.61 voltage, and still it's increasing. The reason why it's not stable is that the more the burning goes on, or the more the heat panels get into contact with heat, the more the increase of the voltage. Now there is a saying, there is no innovation and creativity without failure. So I'll let my sister here to talk about the limitations of our project.
We all know that when we burn these waste materials, they produce certain gases which are harmful to the atmosphere. But with the help of the wet scraper, it's going to trap most of the harmful gases produced in the air, which is going to turn them into useful products which can be used to control our environment.
And also the fact that this is a prototype, most of the air is being released into the atmosphere. But once we get a full project done, we are going to make an air tightening space whereby we are going to trap all the heat and help to generate electricity, and can also power up your phones and any other electronic gadgets.
And this system here is made to reduce plastic and paper waste, and also it can be moved and you can sell it for profit. And this is our battery that is being used to store current for future use.
The waste management project focuses on reducing or managing waste. But as scientific girls as we are, we thought of it necessary that we shouldn't just let this waste just be burned just like that. It's a normal thing that we do in our homes, but we thought of it wisely that we can convert this heat energy into electrical energy for future use, or we can use it in our homes, in our offices, in everywhere that you are. It shows that this project is portable and you can use it in everywhere. Thank you for listening to us. Bye.